Hello there, students. Today you are going to be working with sports vocabulary. So we've been learning about the gym, and so while I am gone, I thought it would be good for you all to learn about the different ways we say different sports in English. So the first thing that you're working on is the picture dictionary. Picture dictionary. And I'm going to read for you the question and the statement that we see here at the top. What sport, location, or piece of equipment do you see in the picture? Add some more pictures of your own. So you are going to use the computer to help you complete this assignment. So here you see the LE assignment that you're going to use to help you complete the paper worksheets that you're going to be doing. As you can see, it has the picture and it has the word. So if I click the next key, it takes me to the next picture, and I can find that picture on my paper, but I can click here and listen to the word
arrow.
All right, and I'm going to move this out of the way because what you're going to do next is you're going to write that word on your paper, arrow. Okay, so you're going to do just like Miss Smith is doing. And when I'm ready to write the next word, I can just click to the next word, click on that picture,
Bow.
and listen to the word. Once I finish listening to the word, I can practice saying the word. Bow.
Bow.
Bow. And then I'm going to write this word on my paper. I would encourage you to say the name of the letter as you write the word. For example, when I write bow, instead of just writing it, I would say B-O-W. This is going to help you to remember your letter names, and that's going to help you to be a better reader. Complete each page of the picture dictionary using these same methods. On the last page, there are spots for you to add your own pictures and your own sports. You can use Google Images, or I'm going to write it on the side here, images.google.com to find the pictures that you like and you want to draw on your paper. For example, I know that Adnan really likes cricket, and so I might draw a cricket paddle to show cricket. So I'm going to go to images.google.com, and then I'm going to input cricket game and see what pictures I get. Okay, so I'm going to find a picture that I like, and then I'm going to try to draw it. I kind of like this picture, so I'm going to do my best to draw this picture. I think the really important thing is these 3 lines that are back here. That seems really important. And then I'm going to try to draw this guy. This is my guy, and he's holding the cricket paddle, which kind of looks like that. And then I'm going to write cricket. It's very important that you write the name of the sport that you're putting because, this is terrible, and I would never know that it was cricket if I didn't write the name. So please write the name of the sport that you are putting. When you finish this assignment, don't put your paper in the blue bin. You're instead going to put your paper on your desk because you are going to use this paper throughout the other assignments in the packet. Best of luck.